girls were little, I used to take them for walks and on play park tours to practice their times tables. You know, like 1's 2 is 2, 2 2's are 4, 3 2's are 6, because it had a rhythm, so it would make it more fun to practice it while walking or swinging, and they always enjoyed it. But I was thinking about that with teaching English and doing the limericks, because they're stress timed. It fits with doing a walk or doing exercise. So what better way to explain why I'm making you all say limericks to practice your English? Okay, so what I wanted to explain to you on this walk was that English is a stress-timed language. That means we stress some words, we say those longer, and other words we push together and we don't give them as much time. Other languages, for example Spanish, are syllable timed, and they give equal time to each part of each word. So with a language that's syllable timed, it's much smoother. So when I hear Spanish, for example, I hear trrr, and I find that very difficult to separate the words. Same works the other way for a native Spanish speaker or someone with a syllable timed language hearing English, because we don't give equal time to every word. Some words we give more time, other words we give less time and push together. So it's more da 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 da. And again, it can be difficult to hear those words that are squashed together. So this is why practicing the limericks is really good to help you practice hearing and saying those words that we push together and we say quickly. So let me give you an example. Okay, I'll walk slowly first of all. Okay, so I'm going to say 3 words to make one sentence and say it in a rhythm. So just as I walk, same rhythm. Elephants eat bananas. Elephants eat bananas. Okay, let's add articles and make it 5 words. So the elephants eat the bananas. 5 words. The elephants eat the bananas. The elephants eat the bananas. Same. Let's make it present continuous. So there's 2 parts to the verb instead of 1. 6 words altogether. The elephants are eating the bananas. The elephants are eating the bananas. 6 words, same rhythm. 1 more. Let's make the verb present perfect continuous. So there's 3 parts, so 7 words altogether. The elephants have been eating the bananas. The elephants have been eating the bananas. The elephants have been eating the bananas. Okay, so we've got elephants eat bananas. The elephants eat the bananas. The elephants are eating the bananas. The elephants have been eating the bananas. All the same rhythm, but not the same number of words. That's why English is a stress-timed language. Elephants eat bananas. Elephants eat bananas. The elephants eat the bananas. The elephants are eating the bananas. The elephants have been eating the bananas. Eat bananas. The elephants eat the bananas. The elephants are eating the bananas. The elephants have been eating the bananas. Yes!